name is Cody Thomas. I'm the welding instructor at Etowah County Career Tech Center. My program holds 60 students. It is a competitive entry program. We have more students apply every year than what the program can hold. If you do get in, your spot is reserved year after year until you graduate. We have different options for careers. If you want to stay local, we have plants like Aricosa, New Flyer, and Echo in Attala, Alabama. We also have ties with the Anniston Army Depot to co-op through your senior year. If you're wanting to travel, we have ties with all of the unions local to us, some out of state. We also have national bowler for non-union work. Starting your 11th grade year, so long as you have a 2.5 GPA, you're able to dual enroll at Gadsden State Community College with me teaching at night. That will be 2 nights a week from 3 till 8 or 9 o'clock every night.
I chose this shop because you have the best choice of making a good bit of money.
Hey, I'm Andrew Green. I chose this shop to have a good career that makes a lot of money.
Hey, my name's Haddon Smith, and I chose this shop because I love welding and I've always wanted to be a welder. That's what I want to do whenever I grow up.
Hi, my name's Cole Gerard. I chose this shop because I've just always had an interest in welding.
Hello, my name is Coleman Morgan. I chose the welding shop just because the career opportunities it provides for you and how much it can do for you in the future.
I like this shop because I get to work with buddies and learn new skills.
Things I like most about this shop are the people and the way I'm being taught and the skills that I learn.
I chose this shop because it's fun, laid back, good people in here, and it's fun to weld.
What I like about this shop is the people I get to work with and the atmosphere it's in.
What I like about the welding shop is I get to work with my hands and just do something other than sit in a classroom all day, really.
My plan for the future is to travel around the country and just chase the money.
My plans for the future is to go all the way through the welding program and stay local and get a job at the Anniston Army Depot.
My goal for the future is to stay local and weld at the Anniston Army Depot.
My plan for the future is go weld where the most money is.
Be a man.
Come to welding.